guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. I am participating in another challenge, and this challenge is hosted by a lovely Christina, and her channel is the DIY Mommy. I will post her pictures over here. I've been following this lady for a while. She's an amazing DIYer, crafter, creator. She has so much inspiration that she's given to people, and she's hosting these challenges for us little creators that I was like, oh my gosh, I had to participate in one. And the theme of the challenge was just the perfect timing for me. It is outdoor DIY and decor. So I wanted to create this, my little DIY, for a while already, but it wasn't the time of the year yet. And now we kinda summer, spring, we're almost there. I live in Texas, so I am totally in the summer, so it was a perfect theme for me to create. Anyway, so I will be creating a tropical wreath because next month we were supposed to go to Hawaii, but with everything that's going on in the country with the virus, it got canceled. So to kinda, I'm still having the vibe for Hawaii, I decided to create a wreath. So I guess so it will remind me, or I'll pretend I'm there. Anyway, if this is something you are interested in, or you want an inspiration for a wreath, then please continue watching. So for this challenge, you will need not a lot of things. I bought this, what is it called? Monster pick, and it's 2 of them. I got them at the Walmart a while ago. I had 6 of them. So, well, kind of like 3 because it's 2 in a pair. Anyway, and this one came in a bulk from Walmart as well. It was a one big little stick. So, and when I took it apart, it comes up like that. So this is what I will be using for my wreath. For the sign on top of it, it will be a sign from a Dollar Tree, which says Aloha. And also the little flowers that I will show you, those were actually hair clips from a Dollar Tree that I took apart and decided to use it on my beautiful wreath. So this is what we're gonna be doing. I decided to kind of tell you this ahead of time because I did not do a voiceover in this video. So you kind of will be following along. I will show you what I'm using, but that's all we used. It was that simple. So hopefully you will enjoy it. that was that easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did struggle a little bit at the beginning with this leaves in here because this thing would not bend and would not cooperate, but I made it work with the twisters. So, and this pretty little things, I couldn't believe it. Those were the hair clips, and I undid it. As you can tell, this is a very pretty wreath. I love it. And I can't wait to put it on my front door so my neighbors can enjoy my tropical theme as well. Anyway, that was all for today. Again, thank you so much, Christina, for hosting this amazing challenge. I really enjoyed it. And if you guys enjoyed my video and would like to see more video, there is a playlist going. Don't forget to click in the description below. There's a lot of other DIYers participating with amazing creation. I can't wait to go and watch all of the videos. But from me, that was all for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next one real soon. Bye.